Welcome, in front of me is a PHILIPS Xenium X588, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold the power key and volume down at the same time. So power key, volume down, let's hold it at the same time, and once you see the logo you want to let go. So you can let go now. And we're now in the recovery mode, or not recovery mode, but factory mode. So from here you will use only volume down to navigate. Volume up doesn't actually go up. And you want to select the clear eMMC option, which is, well, the only eMMC is visible or readable. So once you have it selected, all you need to do is just press power key. And now the device will begin removing all personal data, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So let me just put in the pin for the SIM card, and as you can see, it's finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.